ऐसी क्या तैयारी है कि 10:30 पे आपकी तैयारी नहीं है और 2:30 बजे हो जाएगी? ऐसी आपके पास कौन सी चिट्ठी आने वाली है इन 3 घंटों में, 4 घंटों में,
नहीं, मैं थोड़ा सा इसको
जिसमें कि आपको बिल्कुल तैयार हो जाएंगे? यू विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू आर्ग्यू.
मत
दिस इज मोस्ट अनबिकमिंग ऑफ एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल.
I apologize for that.
No, why apology?
Don't
No,
say
no,
that.
no,
I-
Mr. Singh.
Not argue.
Don't play with the court.
I apologize for that.
You are playing with the court.
Section 2.
2A2.
Yes, bro. Administrator.
He is eligible for election as member of BOD.
Malord.
Now the only eligibility is being representative, and now he is not a representative of any society.
Malord.
He may be a member of the primary society, but he is not elected representative of the primary society.
Malord. Malord, it is
Because
not-
his tenure was coterminous with the tenure of his
Society.
parent society's board.
Malord. Malord, in fact, that point was addressed by this honorable court in the previous round of litigation. Malord, you kindly see the order which has been passed by this honorable court in the previous round of litigation. That is annexure
P12.
P12, Malord.
So the tribunal has held that since he is basic member of the primary society,
Yes.
Malord.
he is eligible. But
Malord.
to be eligible,
He happens to be member.
he happens to be eligible to be elected as board of director of his primary society.
Malord. So by virtue of being a member of the primary society,
Can every member of primary society contest election of director?
Malord, he is eligible to contest the election of a
Representative of his primary society.
uh,
Unless he is representative of primary society, he cannot
Malord.
contest election of director
Malord.
in the bank.
Malord. Malord, may kindly just keep this matter at 2:30 because I apologize for that. My file was actually थोड़ा सा नहीं है भाई.
Mr. Singh,
जी sir.
it's a simple question.
जी जी जी.
For election of a vice president, who votes?
Malord.
Member of parliament, members of parliament vote.
Malord.
Can every person who is elected for member of parliament say that I will vote for Rajya Sabha?
Malord.
MP votes for Rajya Sabha for vice president.
Malord.
A Lok Sabha MP has vote for Rajya Sabha for vice president.
Malord.
Suppose a person is voter in Lok Sabha.
Malord.
Can he say that I am voter in Lok Sabha, so I will vote for vice presidentship?
Malord. That cannot be the case, my lord. But here,
Unless
जी.
MP is a representative, member of parliament is
Malord.
representative of the people.
Malord.
So once he gets elected as representative by his parent society,
Malord.
he is not eligible to be appointed as director.
Malord.
You take it as in another way. Rajya Sabha members,
Lord, I apologize.
MLAs
Lord.
vote for that.
I understand my lord's query, my lord. I'll just address this point at 2:30, my lord. I apologize for that
No,
because
no, we will not permit you at 2:30.
जी, जी.
This point was being argued on the other day.
My lord.
Why you are not ready? That was the only point pressed by him.
My lord.
If you are not ready, then you be happy.
I beg pardon.
If you are not ready, then you remain happy then.
Lord, this was not the only, this is the basic illegality, but this was not the only.
ठीक है, फिर
illegality.
आपको कॉस्ट के साथ समय देते हैं. कितनी कॉस्ट लगाएं?
I beg your pardon.
कितनी कॉस्ट लगाएं अगर आप समय चाह रहे हैं तो? और ऐसी क्या तैयारी है कि 10:30 पे आपकी तैयारी नहीं है और 2:30 बजे हो जाएगी?
My lord, थोड़ा सा मैं इसको
ऐसी आपके पास कौन सी चिट्ठी आने वाली है इन 3 घंटों में, 4 घंटों में,
नहीं, मैं थोड़ा सा इसको
जिसमें कि आपको बिल्कुल तैयार हो जाएंगे?
इसको पासवर्ड में रख दीजिए. मैं I'll address this all.
No passover, Mr. Singh. You are here. Why passover?
My lord.
You don't have answer then. Yes, Mr. Agrawal.
My lord, my humble submission would be, my lord, if the matter can be taken at 2:30, the senior will address the matter. He's another, on his legs before another court, my lord.
ठीक है.
At 2:30, my lord,
Yes, madam. What do you have to say?
My lord, the query my lord is asking, we'll resolve that as well. We have the answer to that, my lord. At 2:30, we'll inform the court the query my lord is raising.
ठीक है, इसको 2:30 लेते हैं. Mr. Singh, you will not argue at 2:30. Only Mr. Agrawal and Mr. Sharma, if they appear, they will argue. You will not be allowed to argue.
No.
This is most unbecoming of additional advocate general.
I apologize for that.
No, why apology? You are here, you say I will argue at 2:30. What is it?
I apologize.
इसमें लिखिए, the matter is taken up at 10:30. Point, Shri B.D. Singh, learned additional advocate general, is present in the court, but he refuses to argue the matter. saying that he will argue the matter only at 2:30.
No, I don't.
No, you are saying that
I'm not prepared on that point, my lord. This is my submission.
only at 2:30.
I'm not prepared on that point. This is my
We-
submission. my lord. I am my request. I don't.
No,
say
no,
that
no,
I
Mr. Singh,
Not argue.
don't play with the court.
I apologize for that. my lord.
You are playing with the court.
I apologize for my.
Why apologies? Why apologies?
I won't.
You say I'm not ready, I will be ready at 2:30.
इस पॉइंट को मैं थोड़ा सा नहीं देख पाया था सर.
यही पॉइंट तो आर्ग्यू किया था, इसी पॉइंट के ऊपर तो इसको बढ़ाया था, ऑर्डर शीट में भी है ये पॉइंट.
ड्यू टू सम पर्सनल रीजंस आई कुड नॉट.
पर्सनल रीजन है तो आपने फाइल क्यों पकड़ी फिर? आपकी टीम में 60-65 लोग हैं.
सर सर इसलिए मैं थोड़ा शुरू में ही बोल रहा था कि थोड़ा सा मुझे इसमें.
ठीक है, ऑर्डर शीट में मत लिखिए, लेकिन 2:30 बजे आपको परमिट नहीं करेंगे.
जी सर. आई वेरी अपोलोजाइज.
आपको परमिट नहीं करेंगे. इट विल कम इन द फाइनल ऑर्डर.
At the outset, I want to tender my apology for in the morning, my lord.
Yes. You want to argue?
If my lords may permit, my lord.
Are you ready now?
My lord, on that point, I have examined it.
हाँ.
I
You have
apologize, I was
examined.
not prepared at that point of time.
You have examined.
My lord, I have examined the position, my lord.
ठीक है, तो आप बताइए फिर. एग्जामिन कर लिया तो बताइए.
My lord, I have asked the question as to whether by virtue of being ceased to be a representative,
हम्म.
he can be elected as a member.
That is his
सर
sole.
थोड़ा सा अगर आप शायद पूरी पता नहीं
इनका
लीगल
नहीं आपको भी सुनेंगे अग्रवाल साहब.
जी सर.
इनका सोल ग्राउंड मेरिट्स पर ये है कि एज पर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, इफ यू आर अ नॉन ऑफिशियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, you have to be qualified to be elected as
Very
member
Absolutely right.
and the qualification for appointment or election to as member
Be a
BOD
representative of a
bank
primary society.
is being representative of primary society.
Exactly. Lord.
And since you are not representative of primary society,
Very
your
good.
term was coterminous with the board, term of elected board, so you cannot be elected, selected, nominated, appointed.
But I'll demonstrate that. I'll demonstrate. Lord, उसको Property Services Act है.
और एक
But
आपको
if you
ऑब्जेक्शन है,
also could see-
एक आपको ऑब्जेक्शन है कि ना ही इज आल्सो डिस्क्वालीफाइड, उसको भी आप बता दीजिएगा.
किसको?
जो ये भी डिस्क्वालीफाई अब हो गया.
सर इनका हाँ इनका थोड़ा सा
वो भी अभी open है.
selectively सर इन्होंने फैक्ट्स रखे हैं, पूरे फैक्ट्स नहीं बताए हैं, जिसके कि ये भी पार्टी थे. सर मैं बताता हूँ थोड़ा सा इसमें बैकग्राउंड में जाना पड़ेगा.
पहले उस लीगल क्वेश्चन को सुनिए.
लीगल सिचुएशन को ही बताने के लिए सर स्ट्रिक्ट अभी आई एम कमिंग टू द लीगल सिचुएशन, जिसको कि इन्होंने सिलेक्टिवली बताया, पूरी फैक्ट्स आपके सामने बताए नहीं गए. एंड ही वाज अ पार्टी टू ऑल दोस लिटिगेशंस. Myself, who was the chairman of the board, he was the vice chairman of the board. Both were elected as a representative of the society in 2013. मैं डेट भी बता देता हूँ सर. एक
मिस्टर लाला, आप भी तो किसी सोसाइटी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होंगे.
ये खुद दे दिया.
नहीं, फोटो देना ये दे
सर एक ये ले लीजिए सर, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
आपकी सोसाइटी,
अनडिस्प्यूटेड फैक्ट्स बता रहा हूँ.
आपकी सोसाइटी में क्या पोजीशन है? आपके यहाँ बोर्ड है भी?
जी बिल्कुल.
आप
और
क्या?
हम इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भी.
अच्छा.
सर मैं बता
मैंने वो डॉक्यूमेंट
नहीं वो सर मैं बताता हूँ ये क्या है क्या नहीं है. सिलेक्टिवली इन्होंने फैक्ट्स बताए हैं.
इनका एक मिनट, इनका भी सुन लेंगे. ये
जी सर.
क्वालिफाइड है
सर ये आप देख लें.
सर एक क्वेश्चन रेज हुआ है,
हाँ.
आपने उसकी क्वेरी इनसे करी है, ये सेटिस्फाई कर लें. उसके अलावा भी मेरे
हाँ.
क्वेश्चंस हैं दैट आई विल आर्ग्यू वंस दिस.
हाँ ठीक है. सपोज राज्यसभा इलेक्शन इज टू बी हेल्ड.
जी.
दी वोटर्स आर MLAs.
और ये टर्म खत्म हो गया तो
अब
क्या हो?
कोई MLA नहीं है,
एमएलए नहीं है.
नहीं है तो क्या उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के वोटर्स आके कहेंगे नहीं साहब
He has to be an MLA.
हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में चूंकि MLA नहीं है,
नहीं है वो
तो
ठीक
वी
बात
आर एंटाइटल्ड टू वोट.
नहीं सब ठीक नहीं, बट यहाँ जो क्वालिफिकेशन एलिजिबल टू बी अपॉइंटेड. अब जैसे सर बहुत सी
Basic
जगह
eligibility-
अपॉइंटमेंट्स होते हैं, अ पर्सन हु इज एलिजिबल टू बी अपॉइंटेड
Basic-
एज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज.
बेसिक एलिजिबिलिटी इज बीइंग अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव.
अब 40
You are-
भी सर आप देखेंगे.
You are eligible to be appointed as representative.
अब सर हम थोड़ा सा 2-3 डेफिनेशन क्लॉज और बता देते हैं सर.
हम्म.
Every board of director 48B, every board of director of society shall at the time of election of chairman or vice chairman also elect representative who shall represent it in another society, and the representatives so elected shall not be withdrawn by the board of directors till the next election of the board of directors. So virtually देखा जाए ये है, it amounts to continuity.